What's up, everybody? Welcome back. Vay.
Gag reel.
You ready? Are you ready this time? I'm gonna count to 5 and we're gonna wait a second and then talk.
Cause I was like 4, 5.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to our channel.
What's up?
So today we're gonna be doing like a mukbang. I think that's what it's called, a mukbang. And we're gonna be eating some leftover Kyotos. My leftover Kyotos. We went to Kyotos yesterday. I got a steak thing. Thomas ate all of his, so he has 2 cheeseburgers, but that's not gonna fill him up, so he's more than likely going to eat some more food anyway. And then we are going to talk about the Captain Marvel movie.
That's what's on the agenda.
Yep. So, are you going first? You can say your thoughts first.
See, this is your thing. I never even heard of these things.
Of a mukbang. So, so basically, you just talk and eat. That's all it is. You just talk and eat. So you gotta tell your thoughts about the movie.
But you know, if we talking about it as we eating, isn't that rude because we got food in our mouth?
It's a mukbang. That's the point of the video.
So you supposed to have food in your mouth while you're talking?
Y'all are supposed to go get y'all plate of food, and we're supposed to talk about it together.
Oh, that's what it is?
Yes.
So it's like we're all
we're like
eating together?
Yeah. And
Oh
having a
my
conversation.
Oh my god.
And having a conversation.
This
was my idea.
A female did this originally.
A female did this originally?
Had to have been.
I don't know who actually started it, but... Oh, we didn't tell him no stuff. What about here?
I despise mustard, okay? Onions is...
He don't like
So-so.
anything. He gets so upset when I say that. It's true.
If I ain't like anything, I wouldn't have ate that. That wouldn't have been finished last night. Because I don't like anything. I don't like it. I wouldn't be eating this burger if I didn't like it.
You picked all the vegetables out of it. Like, that doesn't count.
I did not pick all the vegetables out of it. Well, at least they only put like a little... Oh my god. A little bit of mustard. Watch the other one be drained.
I'm gonna eat just like one more.
And I'm gonna need some barbecue sauce or something to cover this up. Because when I say I can't stand mustard, I can't stand mustard. I just want the record to show I don't like no mustard.
Oh my god. We know you don't like mustard. I've been on that. I hear this all the time. On a regular basis.
So why didn't you just heat this up?
What?
Why didn't you just heat this up?
I did heat it up.
What you say you was gonna heat up some more?
Because I like my food hot.
So you saying this is cold?
It's not cold. It's... Well, it is cold. Like you like it.
That's what's... Okay. Let's...
Well, tell me now so I can go heat up the thing.
Yeah, we'll heat up. Thank you.
You're not welcome.
So...
You're supposed to stay focused.
Oh, yeah. That's why you need two-way cameras.
That's why they need two-way cameras. Why? You wouldn't show what I was doing in the background anyway.
You damn right I want to show that.
So what do you need the two-way camera for?
Just to catch you in the act.
Why don't you tell people about your day today?
About my day? Aren't we supposed to be talking about Captain Marvel?
We are talking about Captain Marvel, but since we ain't started yet, tell them about your day.
Because you know I can just cut all this out.
Nobody see.
I'm so tired of that statement.
Look at what? Can't nobody see me?
Can't nobody see.
I should be able to roam around free with no restraints.
You
in my
can
house.
see the person. They can definitely see you. With the lights on, they can see 80% more than what they didn't see. It's daytime.
It looks like I got a good picture though. Just wanna let you know. You can eat with the lights out. Lights out!
But that's your old phone anyway.
Which has a bottom camera. She told me how to mess up like that.
I don't know why you using the better camera.
Do you want to put your camera on there?
No, it's too late now. No.
I like to use my phone.
So you're gonna be using it while we're doing this video?
Yeah.
How that work? You're gonna be using the phone.
So I'm gonna look up the movie. So what if you forget something about the movie that you want to?
What you mean?
Like,
I was about to say, what you gonna be looking up the movie for?
I need to know people's names and stuff. You don't.
Oh, who you need to know?
The actors' names.
Well, yeah, granted, I only know. But it's close to me.
Alright. So, I know we're kind of late, but whatever. How long has the movie been out? Like a month? It's been out for like a month. We started. What?
Oh no. Yeah, we're still in March. It's like about 2 months though. It's been about 2 months. Came out in February.
I thought it came out in April. Whatever. Anyway, we saw it when it came out.
I was about to say April. We're not even in April yet.
I mean, not True. So we saw it when it came out, and then we just watched it again today. So we decided to talk about it. I think it was a good movie. I don't think it was as good as it was hyped up to be. Like, cause I was expecting it to be like the best movie on earth from all the reviews.
Yeah, I was gonna say. So here's the thing. So all these reviews was saying it's the best MCU movie ever made. Best, excuse me, best origin story.
It's a good origin story. But not the best movie.
It is just a good movie. It's just a good movie. Samuel Jackson's and Brie Larson's chemistry on screen is awesome.
Yes.
You can tell that they're friends in real life.
You was telling me as you was watching the movie, like, there was a part in there that wasn't actually scripted. They just kept in there because they have such great chemistry. But it was a really good movie. Like, it keeps your attention from start to finish, but what are you doing?
The onions started falling out.
Oh my goodness.
Plus, you know, if you eat something like this with all the sauce coming out, it's gonna be all over your mouth.
That's what napkins are for.
But then you look like you ain't got no manners. And you ain't got no training.
Listen, y'all just have to judge me because I'm not looking cute eating for nobody. All right, if I'm hungry, I'm hungry.
Oh my goodness, the mustard. Why put mustard on a hamburger?
Babe, that's not the topic. But yeah.
See, now she has a rant about something. I'm just supposed to listen.
What's that supposed to be?
Next time I'm not gonna listen.
You're not gonna listen to my rant?
No, I'm gonna be like, that's not the topic, babe. Let's keep moving. Right, that's what I'm gonna do.
Whatever. You the one that's going. This is my thing. He's the editor for our channel, and he be the main one complaining about. You know, you can just record a little bit and then stop it. I don't need all this footage to record. Like, to edit. I don't have to record all this stuff. But you be the main person.
Anybody who does a channel records video or puts together anything you have to edit knows it's quality over quantity. But anyway, the CGI is awesome, but it gets a bit much in the movie.
You know it's the sixth biggest worldwide film opening?
I know that now, since you just read the Did You Know?
I just looked at that, that's interesting.
But I would definitely recommend the movie. Take it for what it is. Take it for what it is. Not going there.
Don't get your feelings. Don't get your feelings up. Don't get excited about it.
Don't get high expectations for it. But it's awesome. I just feel a little bad for Scarlett Johansson and Elizabeth Olsen. Scarlett, which is Black Widow.
I know who Black Widow is.
Oh, okay.
But
yeah, they've been in the. Scarlett should have been had her own movie already. So I think it is a little messed up how, you know, she does just come out of nowhere. You know, supposed to be all powerful. But it is what it is. You're a character from a comic book. Like, stick to the comics. Just because we in movies, it's not like I'm trying to give an extreme here. It's not like, cause see, no, damn, everybody done wore the gauntlet. I was trying to think who had it. A lot of people. That's one that glove.
I don't know.
Black Panther's worn it. Spider-Man's worn it.
When's what?
The gauntlet.
Oh.
Wait. No, not Spider-Man. Cap for sure. Iron Man for sure. Anyway, I'm going off tangent. Anyway. The CGI gets a little crazy. There's one time when she's in binary.
Mm-hmm.
When she first starts glowing.
Mm-hmm.
And she in spice. Her cheeks are like out to here.
Oh yeah.
She looks like the Pillsbury Doughboy.
I mean, like, when you first start the movie, it's a little confusing at first. Because, you know, I'm not a comic fan. Like,
huh? What?
What was that supposed to mean?
What?
Like, what was that?
Oh, I thought you were gonna say like this one over here or something like that.
Oh.
It came out your nose.
No, I heard.
Spit up a little bit.
No.
Oh.
I was eating too fast. I didn't chew it enough, so it almost got caught in my throat. But, okay, so I'm not, like, a comic fan like he is. So I don't really know, like, the backstories of the characters in the MCU like that. Like, I know some of them, but I don't know all of them. And so I'm just a fan of the MCU. Like, the Marvel movies is what got me into, like, finding out information about my favorite characters. Not like I really went into, like, the whole comic industry or whatever. But, like, from my point of view, like, looking at this movie, like, I was expecting it to be, like, I don't know, some awesome... we get to see her power, but you really don't get to see her power like that. Like, it's like a starting story, an origin story. So it's like, and even she doesn't even really get to use her powers till the end. And even at the end, she's just kind of like practicing because she hasn't really fully used her powers. So it was a good origin story. Like, it was good to see the background. Because, like, even when my mom watched it, she said it helped her understand other stuff that went on in the other movies as well, which it does.
I still don't. I still don't see that. I don't. I'm sorry for showing you. I don't see that. I don't see.
I can get where
when she said it, I was like, I mean, it explains Fury's eye. Mm-hmm. You know, and of course,
and how the Tesseract got there.
I was about to say, we should have said this in the beginning before we started talking. But for anybody who hasn't watched the movie, I mean, tough luck. I mean, it's been out for months, but but you know, spoilers. Spoiler warning. If you haven't seen it, yeah, don't want to just say something, but the Tesseract what?
Anyways, but you kind of find out how the Tesseract got to Earth a little bit in that movie.
Which, I'm sorry, I'm still a little confused as to the Tesseract.
Why? Yeah, why is it not a stone?
The stone's in the cube. The stone.
Oh yeah, because he crushed it.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
But see, here's my thing. Okay. For any MCU fans, Howard Stark supposedly pulled the Tesseract out of the water. Right? Okay. He flushed it out of the water while he was looking for Cap. Okay, that's in the first Avenger. That's what they say. So, again, a spoiler warning. If Goose had it and then coughed it up on Fury's desk.
Mm-hmm. How'd it get in there?
How'd it get in the water and he had to flush it out of the water? Like, wait a minute, you know? Mm-hmm. But granted, and see, this is wait. I think I just put it together.
What?
Yeah, because Howard Stark, that was even before then. Before Captain Marvel. And she was undercover in S.H.I.E.L.D. working on Project Pegasus. So they did have it. So I just take all that back. I think I just pieced it together right now. Because, I mean, he flushed it out of the water. They were doing tests on it, and she found out about it, came down, and came up with Project Pegasus.
Yeah, so that means it was already here.
Yeah. So, you know, how it started, when he flushed it out, was like, that's like 40s, 50s. You know, this is set in the 90s, so it's been a few decades. He's had it for a few decades. But yeah, that does go to show, though. You've had it for so many years and didn't know there was a big old stone in the middle.
Oh, you didn't have the technology.
That mustard killed it from me.
I'm full.
It's Kyoto's.
Kyoto's is the bomb. It's delicious.
Shout out to Kyoto's, not to McDonald's.
Those McDonald's fries be hitting though when they're hot and fresh.
When they're hot, yes. When they're hot. Otherwise, good God, like rubber. Let me see. Sarcasm was good. The comic relief was good.
It was just a good movie.
It was a good movie.
It wasn't the greatest movie all time.
Yeah, you know, sometimes I wanna go up to the critics. Like, did you really say this? Or how much did they pay you to say this? You know, like what dinner meeting did y'all have? Like, what did you have the lobster with caviar on the side?
Shouldn't mean damn right.
To say, oh, that was the best movie ever made.
I was giving up some steaks and lobsters, some fried ice cream.
Couple 10 grand in your pocket.
This was the best movie on earth. But I'm very excited though for Avengers Endgame.
Yes.
I think it's gonna be a great movie.
3 hours and 2 minutes.
3 hours is a long time for a movie, but
and everybody is gonna be watching the credits, which is crazy.
So that's an extra
Not
30
ridiculous.
minutes.
No, that's the runtime. The whole movie is that includes credits.
Includes the credits.
Yes, that includes credits.
Because I'm about to say the credits is like 30 minutes.
That includes credits.
The credits is like 30 minutes by themselves. It's like,
yeah, no. That's why when Infinity War was like 2 hours 40 something minutes, 46 minutes. You know, we're gonna be doing a hashtag with Marvel and MCU, so I know Marvel fans be like, hey, no, it was 2 hours and 43 minutes. I'm like, I'm sorry, I know it's 2 hours and 40 something minutes.
I don't know, so I'm not gonna say anything.
They were like, how dare you?
It was just a long ass movie, but it was a good long ass movie. Like,
and this one's gonna be long.
I know, so it needs to be a great movie.
Yeah, post credit scenes for Captain Marvel was awesome as well.
Yes. Also, on a side note, this is really has nothing to do with the movie, but she runs really funny. Like in the movie, she's running like this part. She's running on the ship, and she just looks really weird doing it.
You know what's crazy to me? It's funny you say that because like the whole time I'm watching her, like I'm not going to say she doesn't fit as Captain Marvel, but I'm not also going to say that she fits as Captain Marvel as well.
Mm-hmm.
But she still did a great job. But I don't know. She just seems too girly for me. She seems a little girly for me.
That's so rude.
No, like
like just because you girly doesn't
no.
mean...
Okay, I should have said like, oh, no, because she wasn't prissy. What's the word I'm looking for?
A regular girl. She's just girly girl.
It just didn't. It didn't seem natural. How about that? It didn't seem natural. Okay.
She's not athletic enough for you.
That's what I'm saying. I don't know the word what I was looking for, but it just. I'm gonna stick with that. It didn't seem natural. Okay. That's what I'm going with.
Okay.
Again, I don't want no. Oh no, I don't like that guy. Well, what channel he on? No, he be talking about females in the wrong way.
What the first off? First off, I'm holding it down for the ladies over here because you wouldn't be no. First off, I would be holding it down for y'all. Y'all don't have to worry. I would talk about that's rude. That's really disrespectful.
Anyway, so yeah, I'm just saying it just didn't seem natural. But
isn't this her first movie like this though?
Mm-hmm. But that's another reason why I'm thinking like it just
the Brie Larson, the actor for Captain Marvel, she's like a Oscar winner.
Yeah,
she's an Oscar winner. Never heard of her before this.
I swear I gotta play that interview. You know what? Yeah, we're gonna hashtag her in this. Brie Larson. Because if she does actually watch this, which, you know, slim chances, right?
Mm-hmm.
But I'm going to show you that interview where she was like, have you seen The Room? No, I haven't seen that. What's that? Have you seen Scott Pilgrim versus the World? No. She like, look, let me just go. All she tried to do was get into the lounge.
The VIP lounge.
Yeah.
And they wouldn't let her in?
They wouldn't let her in. They didn't know who she was. You know, she said she had to put actor down as occupation, whatever.
Mm-hmm.
When she was going through customs and stuff, or whatever, something like that. And yeah. They're like, oh, you're an actress. Who? What movie have you been in? She's like,
I'm gonna go watch one of her movies. I'm gonna go watch one of her movies. We're gonna watch one of her movies, her other movies today. But all in all, Captain Marvel was a good movie. It wasn't the best movie of all time. I do think it's like a must see. Yeah. Like the Marvel.
No, even if you're not even a Marvel fan or new to the superhero industry, definitely still a must see.
Mm-hmm. It's still a good movie to see. Like even if you just like action movies, like it's just a good movie.
There was something with it. Oh, I was gonna say there was something else I still wanted to say. The 90s, they captured the 90s. They did a really good job of capturing the 90s. Great soundtrack. Some 9 Inch Nails, some Nirvana, Garbage.
Are you talking about the music?
Mm-hmm. Pop culture is the way of life.
I was about to say, how the hell is 9 Inch Nails part of the 90s?
What? Oh, you know, and plus that was rock, so yeah. I don't think you know about that.
No.
Yeah, no. That was a band.
Obviously.
Actually, and you know, the only reason, I don't even think they had a 9 Inch Nails song in there, and I think about it, but it was her shirt. That's what I'm thinking about that. The NIN was 9 Inch Nails.
Oh. I didn't know.
But Come As You Are was one of my favorite songs, that Nirvana song.
Nirvana. See, that's the only reason I realized it was a group, because you were like, you know, the 9 Inch Nails, Nirvana, and I was like, oh,
Garbage.
You must be talking about the music. Nirvana.
But see, you know Gwen Stefani.
Mm-hmm.
That was her group before she went solo.
Garbage?
Garbage.
That's why she went solo.
Everybody knows that they was a famous band. She just went solo. She just did her own thing.
That's like
it's usually it's usually coughed up to just petty arguments within the group or money. I don't know what it was because you know that's back in the day. What else? The soundtrack was good. the 90s background was awesome. Like they said, all the VHS tapes in Blockbuster. True Lies banner or cutout or whatever that she shot. All that is awesome. Awesome. A little creepy though when you think about it, because
What?
you know, it's like, did you have images to go by to reference a Blockbuster, or was somebody like, no. So remember, they had a sign here. Like, you had to have had layouts. You had to have had. Because they did it down to the damn candy.
To the candy?
They did it down to the candy.
But I mean, I don't think it would be that hard to get what a Blockbuster looks like.
The inside layout.
Because the inside layout doesn't really matter. It differs per store. Like, it was just a simple.
Actually, not really. Blockbuster was.
I mean, it didn't like differ per store dramatically, but the insides were not all the same.
It's a little creepy. It's a little creepy. But definitely, yeah, go watch the movie. Go watch Endgame.
Yes, we will be doing another mukbang for Endgame to talk about it.
Actually, we might as well just rewatch the whole review.
We've done that already, though.
And did this?
No.
Oh, you see how she said no, right?
But they're old. But they're super old. They're like years.
That's all accumulating to this one movie. That's why we did it for Infinity War.
We didn't do this for Infinity.
No, I'm talking about watch the movies.
Oh, yeah. Okay, I don't have a problem with watching all the movies, but, like, we literally, last year, for the other Avengers game,
She's not a true fan.
watched every single last MCU movie. And then throughout the year, we still watched.
But she's not.
This is the thing. So, we binged watched all the movies back to back in chronological order.
Not back to back, because it took a couple of days, because we went to sleep, we went to work. But yes,
we binge watched them. Then for what movie was that for? Avengers Infinity War. And then was that last year? Mm-hmm. Yeah, in April. And then still after April throughout the year, like, how many times have we watched Thor Ragnarok?
Twice.
In the year?
In the year.
Lies. That was
my God.
That was like 3 or 4 times. We watched Ant-Man and the Wasp. We watched Ant-Man. We watched The Hulk. This is all within the last after binge watching.
Mind you, we're gonna watch Winter Soldier later on today.
When did we talk about that?
This morning, when Captain Marvel was going off. Because last time I trusted someone, I lost an eye.
Oh yeah.
Now I gotta tag new rock stars, because he got me liking that. He got me.
Oh yeah, new rock stars. Like, I blame you because he's always saying that now. Last time, and
I
y'all
trusted someone. You gonna make me get up too, like the whole thing.
And then like, and when he says that, he can't just be like normal about it. He gotta like clap his hands or hit something. Or
you know what? I'm gonna put that scene in there, in this video right here. Like while we talking about it, it's gonna be playing right now. Last time I trusted someone, I lost it. You gotta say it just like that.
if he says so.
Eric Voss, I'm with you. I'm with you. And then, but come to find out, it was just a cat.
Yeah. We finally found out how he lost his eye. Not a great backstory.
It doesn't really show him trusting the cat. But okay, you know.
First off, yeah, it wasn't like he did. He was like, "I'm trusting you not to eat me."
Yeah.
But technically, but to be honest, just to be fair about that whole Nick Fury losing his eye situation, that was his fault. Goose, whatever he is, a flirkin, is he?
Flirkin.
A flirkin, that cat, Goose, warned him multiple times to leave him alone.
Their first interaction, he's like, "Oh, look at you."
He's like, "Oh, look at the kitty, look at your little kitty."
Goose is like, "All right, now."
And he was like,
"Not back up."
"All right."
Like, you see his head, like, all right.
He pushed his hand down with his
Like,
paw.
right,
He was like, "Okay,
no,
that's
I
enough."
don't know you like that.
And even then, like, when they got on the plane, he didn't go to Nick. He went to Bree.
Mm-hmm.
He went to Captain Marvel because he was annoying him.
But that killed me with the other dude with the scroll. He was like, "Oh, no." He said, "No, that's a flirt." Like, no.
Why you have that disgusting creature?
How did he even get in here? Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, the humor is funny.
Yes. It's like as funny. It's kind of funny as why every time I try to think of something or I want to say something,
You forget it.
Yeah, it's on the tip of my tongue and I forget. Guardians of the Galaxy.
Oh yeah.
It's funny like that.
No, I would say funny like Ant-Man. Because Guardians is hilarious. Like I could laugh all the way through that movie. Ant-Man, I would say it's
Our preferences in comedy are different, so we're never gonna agree on that.
But last thing I want to say, and then we out of here. They should have kept the Skrulls as serious invaders, not just like refugees. Not like that. What would be good is if they set it up like that for this one, and then later on, Secret Wars or, like the Secret Invasion. I say Secret Wars. Yeah, Secret Invasion. Because basically they was just running from the creep. And she was like, "No, but you're terrorists. You kill innocent people." So it'd be nice if they still brought that back later on. In Phase 4.
Because this is the start of Phase 4. What started this? What was Phase 4?
Spider-Man starts Phase 4.
The one that just came out?
No. After Endgame. In July.
Okay.
Endgame is the end of Phase 3.
And somebody's not coming back.
Somebody gonna die.
They're not coming back.
That's I was just stressing. Somebody gonna die.
As long as it's not one of my favorites, I'm fine with that.
It's definitely gonna be one of your favorites. It's one of the three: Cap, Iron Man, or Thor. One of them is that. Or you know what? You know what though?
You said that like all of them was my favorites. Only one of those is my favorite. One of those.
Two of those. Oh no, I didn't say the Hulk. You're right. I'm sorry. But now that I think about it, they could just kill Hawkeye. What? I said it. My bad, Jeremy. But I said it. Jeremy Renner is his name.
Why they gonna kill Hawkeye?
Why are they gonna kill Hawkeye? Because he's not a big character, you know.
Why can't get rid of Cap? Like, he's old. Just let him die. He already wanted to die, so just let him
First
die.
off, Cap is Cap, but Cap will be. They're all gonna be going out some way, because we all know Chris Evans He didn't renew his contract. He said he's done.
So they're getting rid of Cap.
But Iron Man, Robert Downey Jr.'s contract is up. Chris Hemsworth's contract is up.
Wait.
So I don't think Robert's renewing either. I think Thor is. I think he will.
As long as Hulk.
And who knows what Mark Ruffalo's going on? He might get fired again. Oh, them spoilers.
As long as they don't get rid of Hulk, Black Widow, Thor, or Black Panther for good, I'm fine.
Matter of fact, we're gonna do like the other channels. You know, drop your comments in the below. let me know what y'all think. Who's gonna die? Who do you think gonna die?
Who do y'all think is gonna be going for good?
And if you saw Captain Marvel, you know, let us know what you thought about that. If not, just go see it.
And then come back and let us know.
Yeah, still let us know.
Just watch the whole video again so we can get our views. Thanks. Anyways, but thank you guys for eating with us. We had a wonderful lunch. I ate.
Ate a little bit.
I ate a little bit of the rice and I ate all the steak.
No wonder I was like, why I can't find any steak?
And the carrots.
All right, y'all.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this lunch with us. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Like and comment. You know, you comment, we will comment back. We like to have conversations with you guys. And
again, let us know what you like to see. If you like the content we're putting out, so we can make more.
all right,